Hey, traders. Welcome back to TA with Rec. I'm your host. So, what's been going on, guys? Do I hear some dumpiness? Had a pretty good downside today, but are you surprised? I mean, I did tell you guys it's normal. It's normal. There's nothing wrong here. Don't be scared. Like, I would not even until you break 40K. Break it. Like, we're already like tipped down here. We're trying to figure it out, but hey. For all we can know, this can just pivot at some point and still make a higher high than the previous high, or than the previous low, a higher low than the previous low. So it is what it is. It's a 12-hour. This is kind of the time frame I'm gonna wanna be using, because then I can definitely try and make that 6 a.m. live stream where, as you can see, we do have big moves always here. So yeah. I also think I might just delete some of these other lines too. Nah, I'll leave them. We'll just continue from here to see what we see. I'm gonna leave this here. We're gonna definitely erase this drawing just because that's valid now. We're gonna extend this line. Look. So if it breaks 38,000, then I'll be bearish. But right now I'm good. I'm good. Ain't nothing to worry about. So 12 hours. I mean, this is slightly. So crossed over bearish. Like my little arrow. Yeah, that kind of sucked. Oh yeah, I forgot I gotta change the setting. Hold on, guys. There we go. So, just gonna do that. Oh, actually, we're gonna do it like this. And let's go to a smaller time frame, like the 4-hour. As you can see here, this is kind of where we're trying to figure out if we're gonna break down. It's not. I think if we dip slightly below, because we still got here. So ideally right there or something. And obviously we're still above it, but I like this. I like that it's trying to curve. But let's see, alright, let's see where we can really go. As far as levels go for here, for now. I mean, you can come back and test, 41,500, normal. That'd be nice. That'd actually be really, really nice. Confirm a bottom again. Previous resistance and demand, Support. Resistance. Broke above it a little bit. Struggled there. Came back, tested it. Bam. Came back up. Let's look at a couple other things. I don't want to really take too much time. We went over this in the morning. I just wanted to say, it's alright, guys. This is kind of why we talk about the levels, and it's smart to get in the entry areas down here and not all the way up here. Even though, I mean, in the long run, yeah, I do think that this asset is going back to 69,000 and above in due time. So anytime you dollar cost average in, a little bit at a time. You don't have to get the whole mountain in one shot. Just slowly ease in a few are scared of losing a lot of money, 50, $100 here now and then, $20. Like, come on, we waste more than $20 on going out to eat more than like 3 times a week. A lot of us do, or at least people that I know, I myself included. I do it too. It's a horrible habit. Instead of eating at home, eating healthy, it's bad. I gotta start making better choices. I'm trying to be fit. I'm gonna be fit. You guys watch by June. Just kidding, guys. Alright. So yeah. Let's move on to ETH. Broke down above 3,000. The only thing I don't like is this, that we broke down from our previous support area at 3,000. You know, we should have held that. Now we're breaking down. Now the next target would be close to 2,500. See, it's not looking too hot on ETH. A little bit here, but it's on the 1 hour. I don't like to trade this one as much, but I mean, it is there. I guess we can start drawing it. First point to second point. As you can see. Well, I still, what? That actually looks. What do we say? This has been here for the past couple days, so not surprised if we engulf or try to at least come back, rally, test. It's gonna take BTC to do a lot, but I think it could do it. Yeah. Let's move on up. Let's see what has top gainer for the day. I was gonna say Doge, but that's not Doge. So we got XRP. Oh wow, bam, bam. Oh, I think this was a Myra example that we used. Was it? That looks good. Interesting. I'm gonna have to start making notes. ADA. Man. I'm gonna delete this. That's garbage. Well, not that, but this drawing right there. That's garbage. Alright. So we still got a little bit more. Hopefully we just come back right here. Like, I'm tired of seeing this thing at $1. It sucks. But great accumulation zone, I guess. I just really think that something needs to happen with ADA soon. Bottom, second bottom. On the daily, we're about to get our imaginary line. 12 hour? It doesn't look bad. Okay. Oh man, I'm telling you guys, I don't make it up. But that's just the range. Slightly off, slightly a little bit, but hey, we'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. Let's move on up. I want to go somewhere we haven't been. You know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna wait. Close my eyes. And go. Oh, EOS. Nice. I like EOS. Alright. A lot of data. It's good. This one, because it just says, we'll do this. Yeah, actually, yeah. I think we're good there. Alright. Alright. Enough fooling around. Enough with the tomfoolery here. Man. That looks... I feel like there's going to be another wave before it comes back down, sets bottom, and then rallies maybe. If you broke down here from previous support, so, and I mean, if you don't hold here, as you can see, right here, if you definitely don't hold, you're definitely coming back down, probably testing 152. Let's do this. Going just for 35% there. Let's move into a closer time frame so that we can really crack down on the thing, on the price. Alright, so in order to make this a good trade, we always want to go for 3.5 to 1. Yeah, 3.5 to 1. 3.31. You want to win 33% of your trades. That way you don't have to... It's 1 in a 3 chance. So you always want to make them equitable. But the thing is, see, man, maybe this doesn't work because... How far have we gone down? Can this really be a bottom though? Oh yeah, I mean this could be a bottom here. 1, 2, came back down. 3 for the final. Okay. What do you guys think? Let's shoot for... Let's just shoot for it. Alright. I'm just going to be bullish on this, on the EOS, and we're going to come back and look at it tomorrow. We're going to set our stop loss right below there, so about 22%. Can even make it a little bit tight. I'm just making this super loose, but I think there's a good spot. Look at that, 15%. Yeah, we'll just do 15. First wave, just from nearest high. We're going here. Second. and then the third. We're gonna come back and check on this in a couple days. So in these 3 trades, we got one at 3.1, which is fine. Again, I mean, you can go to this high. I just wanted to keep it at the lower high just because it's more accessible. You had a lot more days here, a lot more time on the 8-hour time frame here, so it's just easier. All right, so bam, first target 353, well 355.6. Second target 570, and then your third target at 989. I'm gonna shoot this for at least till July, so we'll just follow up on it every now and then. Let's move on. Horrible. Yep, see? No. It wanted to, but that didn't work out. So now it's gonna break down. So we can keep this. We're just gonna get rid of this, just so that we know what we drew. We'll just draw the 1 and the 2, and let's get rid of this little yellow line. All right. So now let's draw a bearish pattern, small time frame, kind of something like this, because that looks very similar. Looks a little strange, but all right, let's do this. So we're breaking down, so we're gonna do something. Yeah, let's do something like this. Like this one. And we gotta remember we still have our middle trend line. Remember the coordinates for this is 0, 0. Because once we zoom out, we see it all. We see the whole momentum wave change. First top, second top, but you already knew here that you were losing momentum. Came up here, crossed over, came back down. You knew for the second time here, you lost momentum. Rallied, couldn't break anything, hovered there, and you had multiple times to get out. Third time, crossover, bearish, bam, first wave. Try to reach it, nope. Guess what? One more wave down. Nope. One more wave down. That's 3. So now I'm looking for something like this, where it goes 1, maybe another little bit. But ideally, I want this to go up. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for ETH to outperform Bitcoin. Next level here, you know, we're like in the dead middle of this range, where we can go up, we can go down, we can go up. I think we're gonna go up. I think we're gonna go to 8.2% or 0.08% of a Bitcoin. Got confused here. Alright, we're gonna wrap this up soon. I think you guys have gotten enough content for the day. Stuff that I got today. Picked up a little bit more ADA. I did buy a little bit more ADA. And VeTho. I like this one. I had this back when I first started getting into crypto. Kind of just did it as a little, like, haha hee hee. I was barely, you know, I didn't know. All I knew was that it was super cheap, so I was like, yeah, I get 125,000 coins. Kind of rode the wave up with VeChain when it went up. And now, well, now we're kind of here. So I think it was like in here somewhere, and so now I'm up here. Sold some of it up here. And this is what we're doing now. So, alright, let's, I think this still got a long way to go. On the daily time frame, I think it looks good on the daily. Actually, let's play TA Tetris. I don't know why I have this here, but alright. Bam. See, that's the only thing I don't like either. This was support, support, support. Up, up, up. Resistance. We're trying to break at it again, and it looks like we're bearishly breaking down. I mean, we can go back up, yeah, but I just don't like that we're kind of using this as resistance again. So I really hope that it sustains above this. If not, I'm gonna say maybe we're gonna go here, but hopefully not. Hopefully it just stays above, pivots, heads on up. That's the only thing I like, you know, it's getting closer to our little line. So remember, when we look at it, at this thing out, and we kind of just know what kind of wave structure we're in, then we're pretty solid. First dip, rally, couldn't do it. You're hovering around, same thing, you tried it again, so that would be your third one here, third breakdown. This would be your first gain, second gain, second wave up, and now we're gonna shoot for a third wave up with momentum, and hopefully we can cross over 4/10 of a cent for Betho. Again, I just bought like $40. You get like 10,000 coins. You make the math. If it ever gets to a cent, you know, it's like essentially every cent that it moves, you get $100. But at the end of the day, guys, do your own research. Figure it out beforehand. Don't depend on me. Use kind of what I'm teaching you guys, but see if like you see patterns, or see if how you notice trends, like reversals. Like I don't know if maybe I'm just not doing it right and explaining, but just kind of showing where it's useful to take long positions. Like you see a bottom pivot, ran, bottom pivot, hovered, but didn't break. Right, this is when we were in our downtrend, so but it used it as a resistance again, and then you rallied, and now you're just back here, and this is kind of where it's just like meh, but never. It can break it, but that's not really what matters. What matters is what happens afterwards. So if this does bearishly engulf, then yeah, definitely get out before your next level. And if it doesn't, then you know you're perfectly fine. You can still accumulate. You can still accumulate now. You can dollar cost average in, which is kind of what I'm doing now. Not really. It's not like, oh my god, I'm in this coin for millions and millions of dollars, and no, like it's not smart to put all your money in one coin. It's not smart. Like you need to be strategic about it, because that coin can take a turn and dump. It can dump 30-40% in a matter of minutes. We've seen it happen, so hey, it is what it is. But alright guys, it's getting late. It's been fun. You know, we're gonna get up for the 6 a.m. stream tomorrow, and see you then. Peace.